is their story. The final hours aboard the RMS Titanic.
April 14th, 1912. The Titanic glides through calm Atlantic waters under a star-filled sky. 2,200 souls aboard believe they're sailing on the unsinkable ship. In the luxurious first-class dining room, wealthy passengers enjoy their final dinner. The Astors, Benjamin Guggenheim, the Strauss couple, all unaware that fate approaches at 23 knots. Below deck, third-class passengers share simpler meals with their children, dreaming of new lives in America. Hope fills the corridors. High above in the crow's nest, lookouts Fleet and Lee scan the unusually calm waters. Without binoculars, they peer into the darkness, searching for danger. 11:40 p.m. Lookout Fleet spots something terrifying emerging from the black water. "Iceberg right ahead!" The warning bell rings 3 times. First Officer Murdoch orders, "Harder starboard!" But 37 seconds isn't enough time. The starboard side scrapes along the iceberg with a grinding, tearing sound. Water rushes into the ship's compartments through a 300-foot gash. In the mailroom, postal workers desperately try to save the mail as freezing Atlantic water surges around them. Ship designer Thomas Andrews surveys the damage with Captain Smith. His face turns pale as he delivers the devastating news. She'll sink within 2 hours. At 12:15 a.m., the first distress call goes out. "CQD, SOS, we are sinking fast, but few ships are close enough to help." Midnight. The order comes. Women and children first. But there are only enough lifeboats for half the souls on board. Families face impossible choices. Ida Strauss is offered a seat in lifeboat number 8. But when her husband Isidore is told he cannot join her, she makes her choice. "Where you go, I go." Benjamin Guggenheim and his valet change into their finest evening wear. "We've dressed up in our best and are prepared to go down like gentlemen," he declares. As chaos erupts around them, the ship's band continues to play. Their music provides comfort in humanity's darkest hour, knowing they will never leave this deck alive. John Jacob Astor helps his pregnant wife Madeline into lifeboat 4. When he asks to join her, he's refused. He kisses her goodbye forever. Desperate distress rockets light up the night sky, hoping to attract nearby ships. But the closest vessel, the Californian, has turned off its radio for the night. Terror fills the eyes of children as they're separated from fathers who must stay behind.
Be safe, my love.
Families are torn apart by the laws of the sea. By 2 a.m., the bow disappears underwater. The stern rises impossibly high, revealing the massive propellers. Passengers cling to railings as the deck becomes vertical. Captain Smith releases his crew from duty. It's every man for himself now. He's last seen on the bridge, going down with his ship as captains have done for centuries. At 2:05 a.m., the final wireless message is sent. "Come as quickly as possible. Our engine room is flooded." 2:20 a.m. The lights flicker and die. In total darkness, the great ship breaks in two with an unbearable sound and disappears beneath the waves. 1,500 souls are lost to their eternal rest. In the freezing Atlantic, 705 survivors huddle in lifeboats, surrounded by the cries of those in the water. Most boats are too afraid to return. At dawn, the Carpathia arrives, firing rockets of hope instead of distress. Survivors are pulled aboard, forever changed by the night that shook the world. Where the great ship once sailed, only empty ocean remains. But the stories of courage, love, and sacrifice will live forever. Today we remember not just a ship, but 1,500 individuals who faced death with dignity. Their final hours reveal both the best and worst of humanity. The Titanic's last night teaches us that life is precious, love is eternal, and heroism emerges in our darkest hours. Their memory sails on forever.